Well, today we are back at it with the cabin bed, and as you all know, I built this from raw wood. So I've taken it from the raw wood and I've primed it, and then I've also painted a single coat of, I think it's called Dove White. It's not really a pure white because that's a little bit too bright, but it's kind of a little bit of an off-white. So the next step is to finish it, and because right now it's kind of rough, so I don't really want that to be the face of the cabin bed, this rough feeling wood. I'm going to, instead of using polyurethane to make it all super shiny and sealed, I'm going to be using a finishing wax from Minwax. It's very easy to apply, so I'm going to show you how to apply it so that you get a nice matte sort of finish that is not as protective as your polyurethane, but it will do the job for some low traffic pieces of furniture. Like, this is not my dining room table, it's not getting forks and knives from toddlers stabbing it, so I think it'll be okay. So what I have here is the Minwax Finishing Paste. It's a finishing wax paste, and I also have my soft cloth. I had a pillowcase that ripped, see, it's ripped up. So I went ahead and just started using this for my wax purposes, and it works really well because it's soft and thin. So what you do is you dip out just a little bit of wax to apply in a circular motion, not too thick, but not too thin either. So you first get that coat of wax on there, let it dry for a little bit, and then using the same circular motion, you buff it. Buff the excess off. Waited about 10 to 15 minutes to let the wax completely dry on the furniture, and now we're going to use the clean part of the cloth and buff it off.